Hello, welcome to FHALenders.com. If you want to learn more about FHA loans and potentially get pre-approved, just visit the website FHALenders.com, and if you're watching this on YouTube, you can follow the link down below in the description and first pinned comment. What we're going to talk about today is just answering a simple question. What is an FHA loan, or what is the FHA? It's something that a lot of people wonder, and I just want to take a quick second to explain what it is. FHA stands for the Federal Housing Administration, and FHA is part of HUD, the Department of Housing and Urban Development in the United States. So FHA does not actually issue the mortgages. You don't get your loan from the FHA. FHA insures mortgages that private lenders, local banks, or your mortgage broker, any of the lenders on our lender network at FHA Lender who offer FHA loans, those loans get insured by the FHA, so that way in the event that the borrower defaults, the FHA is covering the lender's losses. However, the FHA and HUD also decide what those guidelines are going to be for FHA loans that the lenders must stick to. Lenders have the ability to impose their own overlays, as what the industry calls them, which would be maybe a more strict interpretation of the FHA guidelines, but they cannot loosen them. So for example, FHA guidelines allow for credit scores as low as 500, but many lenders will not accept scores below 620, just using that as one example. The lender cannot accept scores below 500 because that would fall outside of the boundaries of the FHA guidelines. Now, who are FHA loans for? There's some confusion there. It's not for people who don't have enough income. It's not for people who are only first-time home buyers, which is another misconception. It's for people who may have a small down payment, who have potentially lower credit scores, who have higher debt-to-income ratios, who may have recently been discharged from a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy, but do not have the waiting period yet for a conventional loan. And also, FHA loans might be for someone who's looking for to purchase a home and also borrow the funds needed to rehabilitate the house. So that's who potentially would be looking for an FHA loan. Now I want to tell you the different types of FHA loans, and then if you have any more questions, just visit the website and we'll be able to answer all of them there, or in the comments down below. You have the typical FHA loan for the purchase of a home. That's a 203B FHA mortgage. You have a refinance when you're refinancing from a mortgage that's not an FHA loan into an FHA loan. You have the FHA Streamline refinance, which is when you refinance an existing FHA loan into another FHA loan with little paperwork and less documentation. You have an FHA cash out refinance, where as I record this video, you can cash out up to 80% of the home's appraised value. You have the FHA 203K rehab loan, like I just talked about, where you can borrow the money needed to rehab the property on either whether it's a purchase or a refinance. And you have the FHA one-time close construction loan, which enables you to purchase a lot and pay for the build all together in one mortgage with just one down payment of 3.5%. So hopefully that answers some basic questions for you on what an FHA loan is. If you have any other questions, like I said, just visit us at the website FHALenders.com, or ask the question down below in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.